Right, the foundation course, chapter 6, is graphs, well essentially coordinates in graphs. Now look, what I've taken the liberty to do is to draw a couple of these grids on over 3 pages. We'll just use them. Now you don't usually have to plot straight line graphs using a grid that size, you know, 12 in one direction, minus 12 in the other direction, etc. But I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, so I've got to sort of play it cool and take it easy. Now look, this side is called a quadrant, that side is a quadrant, etc. So the coordinates in the first quadrant where they're both positive is dead easy. So for example, that will be the point, I don't know, 3 along, 6 up. Please note x-axis, y-axis, as you know, that is the point 3, 6. Pick another one, 8, 2, that means 8 along, 2 up, and the point 7, 11. Very nice, so 7 across, 11 up, straightforward. So I'll just do a few for you here. Here, working this quadrant here, this will be the point 4, minus 3. So we have 4 along the x, minus 3, which is down the y-axis. This will be 10, minus 5. I went 10 along the x, and I went 5 down the y-axis. Do one more, pick that one there. That'll be 2 across, minus 7 down. That's called 2, minus 7. Incidentally, that point right there, which you mustn't fear, is 3 along and 0 up or down. So that is the point 3, 0. Alright? And let's do one up here. That is the point 0 along, 8 straight up. In other words, 0x on the x, 8 on the y-axis. In the same way, if I choose this one, I've gone 0 along, 5 down, so 0 minus 5. Alright, so that takes care of everything strange on this side. On the left side here, up here, this will be the point minus 6, 4. I went 6 along in the negative direction here, and 4 up, so that's the coordinates minus 6, 4. Alright, 6 along to the left, 4 up. This will be the point minus 8, 7. So I went 8 along to the left and 7 up. This will be the point right there, minus 4. Then I went 0 up, didn't I? This will be the point minus 8, 0, because I went 0 up. And that's enough on that side. Over here I'm going to go for minus 6, minus 2, right there. I went 6 along to the left and 2 down, minus 2. This will be the point minus 7, minus 5. Again, I didn't check it, but I've just done it now. So 7 to the left, 5 down. Please note they're both negative. This will be the point minus 3, minus 8. So put it here, minus 3, minus 8. Again, that's everything covered, really. That is coordinates in all 4 quadrants. Just turn over the page now. And here's another grid that I copied onto it. So that's that. Straightforward. Don't need that anymore. Here's an introduction to straight line graphs. Again, this is all second-hand knowledge. I'll try and get it as straight as I can. Now, here, oh, don't want it that thick, do I? Ooh, nasty, 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 nasty. Get rid of it. Just delete that straight away. Where's the delete? Cut. No delete. Right, let's do it again. Let's go thinner. We'll go red. We'll have that. We'll go red. Okay, look, I'm ready to go. Check this out. That line down there is special. It's special because every single coordinate on that line starts with a 2. Well, let's just have a look, shall we? Back to the pencil. That will be the point 2, 3. That will be the point 2, 7. That will be the point or coordinate 2, 11. That will be the point 2, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. That will be the point 2, minus 3. That will be the coordinate 2, minus 6. That will be the coordinate 2, minus 9. What am I saying? The x value is always going to be 2. Therefore, the equation of the line is x equals 2. For that one alone, the x's are always equal to 2. Now, I'm not going to labour it anymore. I'm asking you to accept that. Change over to one of these little things. This equation all the way down cuts through the 7. Every point along this line we have an equation y equals 7. 7 1, 7 5, 7 9, guess what? X equals 7 whether you like it or not. In the same way, if I decide to come down this side and I hold it right there and drag it down, everything on that line will have an x value of minus 6. Let's just check it for you. Minus 6 1, minus 6 2, minus 6 7, minus 6 13, minus 6 minus 4, minus 6 minus 8. So I'm going to call this line, guess what? X equals minus 6. That is the equation of that line. Similarly, if I decide to take this one and draw it all the way down like that with my trusty software, everything on that line, every x value on that line is negative 4. So x equals minus 4 is the equation of that line. For example, minus 4 5, minus 4 9, minus 4 10, minus 4 minus 6, it's all minus 4. Alright, so all the x lines are vertical. So let's just put the word vertical somewhere. All the x equations are vertical lines. Turning over, you won't be surprised by this. Maybe you are. Let's just demonstrate it. If I take this line right here, what do you notice about that line? Well, if you look carefully, you will see that every y coordinate, going to pen now, every y coordinate has the same value. That is the point 1 8. That is the point 6 8. That is the point 8 8. That is the point 11 8. That is the point minus 7 8. In other words, the second part of the coordinate is always 8. That is the line y equals 8. Please remember the x's go that way and the y's go across like that. So let's just do another one. See if I can try and land this one nicely. Yeah, nailed it. That is the equation y equals 4. Quick proof, the point there is 4 4. The point there is 8 4. The point there is 11 4. Always 4. So that's y equals 4. And do some red ones now. That one will be the line, again I can start anywhere really, but that will be the line, guess what? Y equals minus 5. Look, 4 minus 5. 7 minus 5 is that point. That's 9 minus 5. That's 10 minus 5. Wherever you are on that line, you are minus 5, as with the y part of the coordinate. Similarly, let's just do one more. I don't know, put it up here I suppose. I can start anywhere, drag it across and just dump it there. That is the equation y equals minus 3. 8 minus 3, 10 minus 3, 3 minus 3, minus 5 minus 3. All the coordinates on that line have a y coordinate of minus 3. So review. Let's go back one page. My x lines, if you like, are all vertical, and my y lines are horizontal. Spelt the English way, not the American way. Alright, so y's go across that way, x's go up and down, and that's all I want to say for now.